Hello, this is quick demonstration for bolt inspection. We have 4 bolts. 2 of them has EDM notches. The first screw has notch here and here, very small notch. And the second screw has 3 notches. First one, second one, and the third one here. Another 2 screw does not have any notch. On the application we use 64 element focusing probe. It is very special, so it can focus each millimeter on the screw. So we use on the application 3D bolt inspection software. When we put the probe on the first screw, we see here 2 notches here. When we put another screw, we see 3 notch. First, second, third one. So on the cross section view, here we see 3 notches. So another screw has not any notch, and this one also does not have any notch here. 2 notch, 3 notch, no any defect, no any defect. So we would like to show you this slide feature. When we move the cursor on each millimeter, we see this is the top view of the screw. This is the first notch, and this is the second notch on the different depth of the screw. So we can move cursor like this. This is another one. Thank you for listening.